In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your TikTok profile picture. This is a working method as of 2025. So what you need to do is go to TikTok, open your profile in the bottom right hand corner. Once you do that, you'll see your profile. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and long press on your profile icon. And once you do that, this window will open. It will then give you the option to change it. If you click on change photo, you'll see you won't be able to have the option to remove it. But what you can do is change it back to the existing TikTok picture. So open up a web browser, and if you just make the search for TikTok default PFP, there'll be a bunch of these that come up. You can just go ahead to images. You can just go to images and then you can find one. Now I downloaded this one, click on it, hold down on it and then save in photos and just download it to your device. Once you've done that, you can then reopen TikTok and essentially swap it out for the default one. Once you've done that, uncheck if you don't want to post it to story, click save, and you will now have been reverted back to the default picture, and that's how you do it.